welcome back for another day of Vlogmas. It is almost the end. Can you guys believe it? I can't believe it that I filmed and uploaded enough videos for 25 straight days. But I wanted to put this video here because if you are a last minute wrapper, then I am keeping you company. So give me a thumbs up right now if you still have gifts to wrap. I'm anxious to see how many thumbs up I actually get. So that's all this video is going to be. I'm going to wrap my husband's gifts because he is not home right now, and I need to get it done. So I've waited long enough. It's time to wrap. And also, you guys were asking, like, do we get each other gifts? So yes, we do get each other gifts, but this year we decided to do very minimal because we are going on a Disney cruise and we are treating ourselves to a couples massage spa day on the cruise, and that is a pretty penny. So that is a gift for each other, and then we just got each other a few small things. So, and stockings, we do each other stockings. So my husband really wanted some new CrossFit Nano Reebok CrossFit shoes. He loves these, and these ones are pretty cool. They are like a camel color, and these are really awesome. I wish they had them in women's. I really like the muted color of that, so I got him those. I also got him a new, you can't see it because it's still in here, and I'm gonna leave it in here, but it is a Denver Broncos Nike hoodie. He never really splurges on expensive things for himself, and a $65 sweatshirt is kind of pricey, so we went ahead and got him that. And then he needed a new grilling set, so I got him the Hearth and Hand grilling tool set, the Magnolia line from Target, so we got him that. And then we filled his stocking. He got some super cool Star Wars socks for his stocking. We got him a Starbucks gift card for when he's at work. We got him 15 chapsticks. That's kind of a joke. We got him a new Star Wars Under Armour shirt that was kind of expensive for Disney, and oh, I got him his lanyard for our Disney cruise. So that's everything that's in his stocking. So we went pretty light this year. I would say under $300 for everything, but we are counting the cruise spa day together as a part of our Christmas. So I need to wrap these gifts, but I just wanted to chat with you guys. So go ahead and grab your wrapping paper. This is what I'm wrapping his in. It has like gold little trees on it. It's really cute. I got all of my wrapping paper this year from Marshall's. They have very good quality wrapping paper, very, very cheap, and I love to have it match my decor. So I know that's it's a little much, but I need to wrap these gifts. So I got all my supplies, so go get yours. Go make a cup of coffee if you're watching this in the morning, some tea if it's at night, maybe a glass of wine, and let's just wrap and chat. So the first thing I would like to know is, did you guys like Vlogmas? I really hope you did. I kind of took a risk. It's not really like something I would do ordinarily to upload this many videos, and it was a challenge, and I did put a lot of effort into it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you didn't like it, you can tell me that too, but just say it nicely so you don't hurt my feelings on Christmas. But really, I hope you guys did enjoy it. I had a lot of fun waking up with you guys every day with new comments on my channel. Every morning I would just wake up excited to hear, like, oh, what does everybody think of this video? Because a lot of them were videos that, like, I've never done a video like that before. Most of my videos are like this, sitting down and talking about stuff, and this is where I'm comfortable, if I'm honest. So it was a good challenge for me to try something new, and I'm always encouraging my kids to try new things, so Mom tried something new too. So let me know how you guys liked it. Let me know how your Christmas season was. Did you get to enjoy it? Was it very stressful? I feel like for us, we really were enjoying it and having like a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. season. That was until we got the news about my husband's surgery. So by the time you guys are seeing this, that will have already happened. So it's very weird to talk about something that currently, as I'm filming this, is in the future, but by the time you see this, it will be in the past. So I'm talking about a future event that will be in the past. It's very weird right now. But I needed to finish Vlogmas because I need to be able to take care of him and not be worried about filming for a week or so. So, so we had a really good Christmas season with our trip to Disney and all of the different things we've done. The surgery did dampen that a little bit and mess up some of the plans that we had, but I'm just praying that he is okay for Christmas morning and that he can still enjoy the holiday and not be in too much pain. So by the time you guys see this, we'll know, but as I'm filming it, I don't know. So here is gift number 1, all wrapped up. That's the tool set. So I'm gonna write to Jake from Mrs. Claus. We're kind of weird. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a good holiday season. It's coming to an end. As much as I love Christmas and all that it represents, I am always ready for a more slower season following Christmas. I have shared before that I take down my decor pretty much immediately and get organized and quit eating sugar. And I really look forward to that, actually. It's funny how like a season of just overall enjoyment leads to like the desire for a more disciplined season. So I always look forward to taking Christmas down and organizing and like putting all the bins away and getting my house back to how it usually is and getting back to how I'm usually eating. Although I did not do bad, but I definitely allow myself to enjoy some foods, probably a little more than I usually do. But yeah, so let me know if you guys are the same. Like, do you enjoy like the structure that comes after the holidays, or are you someone who is a little blue once it's all said and done? I find joy in the normalcy. So I love Christmas. It is my absolute favorite time of year, but once it's done, I'm like, okay, that was great. So now let's save money and let's get back to exercise. No, I exercised all the way through. Let's get back to clean eating. Let's get back to an organized house. Let's get back to all that good discipline that I enjoy. So let me know if you guys relate to that. Let me know who you're wrapping for in the comments as well. Tell me, who are you wrapping for right now? I'm wrapping, like you guys saw, my husband's gifts. The kids are done. I do not have any more wrapping to do for them, thankfully. I sat down one night basically and just did it all. And I'm not a fancy wrapper. You know, some people really, I have a lot. One of my best friend loves to wrap gifts. Like, she sets up a station in her room and has ribbon and all the fancy stuff. That is not me. I do not like wrapping presents at all, actually. So I just do it out of necessity. So as far as I go is getting wrapping paper that matches my decor, and then we call it good. And then that's how it is. I am not a professional wrapper. Do you guys love to wrap gifts? Let me know. So here's number 2, the shoes. What should I say on this tag? To Jake from Rudolph. Good. Okay, and the last and final gift that I have to wrap for this video is the sweatshirt. So I am going to be doing a video. I want to say that it will be up next week, but don't hold me to it because like I said, I'm filming this video for the future currently, but by the time you see it, it'll be in the past. So I'm hoping everything goes okay with my husband's surgery, like I said, and that I'm able to film. But like if I can't, then I can't. So you guys know once I say I'm doing something like Vlogmas, I'm not failing. That's just the kind of person I am. And even though to some people it's like, oh, that's not failing. To me, if I say something that I'm doing and then I don't do it, that is failure to me. So I don't want to say that I'm going to for sure have it next week, but I think I will have the video where I talk about everything that has been going on with YouTube with like this COPPA laws and how that's affecting me and my channel. And just some kind of thoughts that I've been having about YouTube. I don't want to like be vague and then leave you guys hanging, but you know, I just want to share with you kind of where my heart's at with it all. And you know, I've known for a very long time that this wasn't going to be something I did forever. And so I am going to talk about that with you guys in that video. So look out for that next week. And then also let me know in the comments of this video what other videos do you want to see in the new year. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see now that the holidays are over. What would you love to see? I did a little bit of like researching and studying of my own channel, and the videos that do best on my channel are the productive videos that I do where I like have a to-do list and I get it all done. Those do really well. Anytime I talk about homeschooling, those do well. Day in the lives do well. Grocery, like meal videos do well. And those are kind of like the best videos on my channel. So let me know if you have like a favorite video that I do that I didn't just list, because moving forward, this is one of those things that I was going to talk about in the update, but I'll just go ahead and give you guys a little insider information now. Moving forward, I am just going to be creating the videos that do well. Every now and then I might throw in something that I know not a lot of people are gonna watch, but yeah, I've got for the time and effort it takes, I need to have the viewership, and so I need to make videos that you guys like watching. And people will say, oh, make fitness videos, I love those, but then no one watches them. And so it's like, it's funny, and I've heard it said from other YouTube creators that the videos that our audiences will like say, oh, I love those videos, make those videos. Those are the videos that no one watches. So it's like funny because that's like the videos that people ask for, but then those are the videos that don't get watched. So it's kind of like a catch-22 that your audience as a creator is asking for something, you want to give it to them, but then they don't watch it. So that's going to be in that video where I talk more about that. So let me know what you want to see, or if you're like, yep, she just listed off all my favorites. So here's the last one. She's looking a little rough, but that's all right. We're going to just go with To Jake from Ashlee on this one. We're on a first name basis here. So now his gifts are wrapped. They're good to go. We had a little chat. I hope I helped you wrap some of your last minute gifts. Give me a thumbs up if you were wrapping. Don't forget to do that. Here we go. That's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support on Vlogmas. Thank you for praying for my husband. I love you guys a whole ton, and I'll see you really soon, probably tomorrow. Bye, guys.